Good day everyone, my name is Angelo Apo from BSI IA 2B. My topic for today is toolbar Google SketchUp. What are the toolbar in Google SketchUp? The toolbar is located at the top left of your window. This is where you will be selecting the different tools to help build the object you want to create. Move tool. Move tool selected objects, line or planes. It is used for move the object into easily move. Rotate tool. Rotate selected objects, line or plane using a protractor. It is easily used to rotate the object, etc. Push pull tool. Expands plane into 3D object. It is used for expands, papalaki yung wall o kaya napapababa. Tape measure tool. Used to measure lengths of any objects or region of space. It is used to measure the wall. Okay. Text tool creates a tool note wherever it is placed. Ginagamit naman ito sa paglalagay ng text sa isang object. Paint tool used to paint any surface or plane. It is used to color the wall or any objects. Orbit tool used to rotate reviewing angle in the 3D space. It is used to rotate the 3D space. Pan tool used to pan the camera around the 3D space. It is used to move or what do you want to do?